What's up, Safe Clean followers? We are in Elburn today, Illinois. We're gonna do some carpet cleaning and furniture cleaning. Stay with us, I'm gonna walk you through the process. And after finishing the first floor, we're gonna move to sectional cleaning. Look at what we got under, all that goodies. Mac nasty. But we're gonna get it clean. And after that, we're gonna proceed with carpet cleaning.